Today we are going to see the economic importance of family legacy. Legacy family having many plans of economic importance. But for our study purpose, I have selected only 5 plants which are mostly used as a economically. The first one, that is asparagus racemosus. These asparagus racemosus having the scaly leaves, it is commonly known as a satavari. It is commonly known as the satavari. It is a small shrub and it has the fasciculated tuberous roots. Here, economically used part of this plant is the root. The root powder is used for the improving memory power. Improving memory power. It is used in intelligence. It is used in the intelligence. It reduces the physical stress. It reduces the physical stress due to this constant working in the human being. On the body, physical stress is came, and on this physical stress, it is used as. It is used as a uterine disorders. Uterine disorders. The root power is used as tonic. It is as a appetizer, which improves the digestion of the plant body. It used in impure blood for the purification of the impure bloods. It is from the body, impure blood is which is developed. It purifies by applications of the root powder. This asparagus racemosus root powder is available in the Ayurvedic preparations. That is Satavari Kalf and Satavarex. Means in the Ayurvedic medicals, the Satavari Kalf and the Satavarex in the formulations of the root powder is available in the market. Means the roots of these plants are used to cure, to purifies the blood, memory power, stress, physical stress. On these, majority these plants is used. Second plant, that is Gloriosa. Gloriosa superba. It is known as Bachan. It is also known as Kalavi. All of us, these plants, you know, because this plant is commonly found, and this plant is worshipped in Ganesh season, Ganesh festival, as a Toran. You are familiar with. Here also, the roots of this plant, that is a tuberous roots are produced. These roots are used for the preparations, and these roots are used. Root powder is used in the piles. Piles means mold where the root powder paste is used on insect bite, scorpion bite, scorpion sting, इंचू चावल्यावर, इन्सेक्ट बाईट केल्यावर, बाईट केलेल्या पोर्शनवर रूट पावडर अप्लाय द पेस्ट. इट gives a relief from the strain. It is used, root powder is used in a diabetic patient. Diabetics, the percentage of the sugar is increased in the human being. To reduce this plant, it is used. Root extract. Root extract means the root powder, it dissolves in the water. From this extract, decoction means suppose 1 liter is taken and boil it up to this 1/4 portion, that is a 250 ml or 200 ml, and this root extract is used to kill the lice from hair. The lice which are developed in the hair, these lices are killed due to this root powder. See here, Bachan Kalavi, it is also known as the Kandil, that is a Glorious superba. This plant is worshipped in Ganesh festival as a Toran. You are familiar from this year. The Glorious superba, the root is used. Roots are tuberous root underground. It is used piles, pest, insect bite, scorpion bite. It is used in the diabetes, and root extract is used to kill the hairs. Next plant, we are familiar in daily life, that is Allium cepa. It is known as onion. It is known as onion. This onion, the underground fleshy leaves as well as the aerial green leaves are used. The underground fleshy leaves, they are used, both used underground or aerial in the as a vegetable. As a vegetable, it is used as condiment. स्वयंपाकामध्ये it increase the flavoring agent, flavoring cookies. सुगंध स्वयंपाकाला मिळतो, including preparations. It is a antidote to tobacco poisoning. तंबाखू लागली तर त्याचा अँटीडोट म्हणून त्याचा यूज केला जातो. इट इन्क्रीजेस urination. It also cures scurvy as well as the bronchitis. Bronchitis means swelling in the lung. See here, the onion, it is known as Allium cepa. This Allium cepa, the underground fleshy leaves as well as aerial tubular leaves are used as a vegetable. The fleshy leaves used in the condiments. It increases the flavoring in the cooking preparations. It is used in antidote of the tobacco poisoning. It increases the urination. It cures the scurvy and bronchitis disease. Also, you are familiar from Allium sativum. Allium sativum is known as the garlic. In vernacular name, it is known as lasso. This Allium sativum, it is used as a condiment masala. Usually in the condiment spices मसाला में याच्यामध्ये केलेला आहे. It is used in spice. It is used in heart diseases, that is the cardiac diseases. It is used in the cardiac diseases. It is commonly used in whooping cough. Whooping cough, माकड़ खोखला. Whooping cough, माकड़ खोखला. It is used in piles. It is in joint pains. Joint pains. Then it is a juice help on the headache. Headache juice is used and it decreases important one, cholesterol from the body. It is used as the cooling agent. It is a rich source of vitamin C. See here, Allium sativum. It is a garlic lasso. It is buds. Means underground bulb present, and the buds, that is kudi, that is known as a lasso, used as a condiment sataka मध्ये, as a spice masala मध्ये. It cures the heart diseases. It cures the whooping cough, joint pains, piles, juice applied paste or juice applied on this headache, relief from the headache. It decreases the cholesterol from the body. It is a rich source of the vitamin C. The last plant from the economic importance of the family Liliaceae, that is the aloe vera. It is known as the porfid. It is also known as kava. It is also known as Komari asa. Here the plant, xerophytic perennial plant. Here fleshy leaves. which has the presence. The placid use, that is a pulp, is used in a medicine. Here, the plants which are used, that is leaf juice is used in the stomach ache. Leaf juice is used in the stomach ache. It is used as cooling, means reduces the body temperature. It is used as anti-helminthic. Anti-helminthic means the worms which are present in the intestines, it repels out from the body. Aloe vera is used as in cough. The leaf juice is used in the cough, cold, fever, cough, running of nose, fever, increase the temperature. Due to the running of nose, the cough which is formed, the leaf juice is used cough, cold, fever. It is used as inflammation, means the swelling were done, the warm leaves are placed on the swelling, and the swelling get released. It is in general majority of the small children, the juice is given and it cures fastly cough and cold. Therefore, aloe vera is also known as the Kumari Aso, means lahan molana dila jata, Kumari Aso. This pulp, fleshy pulp, used as a hair dye, to dye the hairs, facials and bleachings. Facials and bleachings. Means when this pulp is applied on the facial, after 10 to 15 minutes it dries up and warm the face and dead skins removed. Therefore, the aloe vera pulp is used in the facials and bleaching one, and therefore it is generally used in the beauty parlors. Aloe vera soap is also available in the market.